Hey, what's up? So Terrell Lloyd here, and I wanted to hop in and show you guys first of all, some more client results, and also how we go about getting the ad creative and the ad copy for you guys. So it's proven that you guys can get the same results like this client's getting here for $5.78. So this client has spent so far $369. These are impressions, and they've only are spending $5.78 per lead. That's really good if you guys don't understand that. So every time they spend $5.78, a new lead comes into their business and it goes into their CRM to give them an opportunity to qualify them. So people are raising their hand for their specific treatment after they spend the $5.78 per client. So for instance, just to give you guys a picture, because someone asked this in the group, like, what does this number mean? $5 leads. That means for every $5 you spend, someone is raising their hand saying they are interested in your services. So if you spend $20, that means you will get 4 leads. So hopefully that makes sense. So let me go over here to the CRM just to show you guys how it works. So this client, for example, after they spend $5, this is the message that's sent off to the lead. From there, we follow up with them if they don't respond. As you see, this was at 12:30, 3:30, they didn't respond. And then from there, they responded back the next morning at like 12 in the morning. So keep in mind note the time here, 12:01 and 12:02. So we reply back immediately because that's the time that they're interested. We have to make sure we're in front of them. And I believe this is our secret sauce right here. Because I'm gonna be honest with you. There's nothing different that I can do, my agency can do, than another agency as far as getting leads. And my biggest complaint that I get from people coming from other companies is they have crappy leads. And that can be farthest from the truth. I'm getting the same leads that everyone else are getting. The thing that we're doing differently is we're replying to them immediately. Because imagine if this person were to reach out to us at 12:01 and we waited until business hours, 9 a.m. to reply back. This ended up in a sale, by the way. And that's the reason why we're able to get people 5-figure revenue within 14 days. So hopefully that really makes sense. Like, I can't emphasize this enough. It's the fact that 12:01 they replied in the morning. People are asleep. And our AI bot replied to them and it led to a sale. Like, hey, where are you located? It gave the address and it proceeded to book them on the calendar. Now, this is going to end up in a $2,000 sale for this business owner. So I really want you guys to understand that is the difference from us, any other agency. They're not doing this type of stuff. But yeah, but I digress. Let me get back to the presentation here. So as you see this ad here and how we create those ads are all proven. So what I mean by that is we have proven ads from all of our clients combined. So let me go back here and show you guys a little bit more here of how this works. Go back one more time here. So all of these ads are already created. So let's go down here to the medical and doctors. Majority of you guys are medical and doctors. And then weight loss. A lot of you guys are body contouring. So with that being said, we have already tested these ads. We have spent over $100,000 on all of these ads combined with all of our clients combined revenue for ad spend. So we know what works. Once we find a winner, like we did here, $5 per. This is the reason why we're able to hit the ground running and get $5 leads immediately. There's no testing process because this has already been tested for you guys vigorously over the years and spent over $100,000 testing all these ads. So if you guys want to do Ozempic, we have it tested for you. This is the ad copy here. It's already done. Tired of struggling to lose weight? Stop trying fat diets and join our medical weight loss program now. We provide a convenient, individualized plan tailored to your needs and lifestyle so that you can reach your weight loss goals. With our program, you'll have access to the latest treatments, including prescription medication and nutrition counseling. Plus, you'll receive the support you need to stay motivated and on track. So this is what the customer reads on Facebook. This is the picture that they see, Ozempic for weight loss. And then they click the learn more button. After they click the learn more button, this is when they put in their information, their name, email, and phone number. It's just a simple Facebook form. After they go here, goes to the Facebook form, name, email, and phone number. Once they submit that, then you get this portion here. They're going to send the initial message. My system automatically does that. We're integrating infrastructures into your business to where these automations are automatically going to happen. And on the back end, as I showed you guys before, all these automations are already made up to where you guys don't have to build out anything. We have the chatbot automations all made up here in the back end to allow for you guys to just get this and just take off running. It automatically sends appointment reminders, so on and so forth. So back to this. So this is the ad. You guys will have an opportunity to run any ad that you choose to get more patients from. So if you want Ozempic, you would just choose this. If you want to do M-Sculpt, which this is what my client did for a high-end package, because they're selling their M-Sculpt for 2-3K package deals, a deal of like 8 or 9 packages, 10 packages, and it equals up to 2 or 3K. So that's how Keely was able to get the 15K mark in 14 days. That's also how this MedSpa was able to get upwards of 15 to 20K within a couple of weeks as well. They're doing high-end packages, but you guys can do any package you want, low-end, high-end. The main deal is just to make sure that you guys are doing seasonal type of treatments, because it's summertime. People want these types of treatments. However, if you're like a full-blown medical spa and you wanted to do like more of a, different treatments in the winter time, so on and so forth, we have those options as well. You just have to make sure that you choose the right thing for you. So going back here, I'll show you like a full-blown medical spa. You just click beauty spa here, and then you got more along the lines of like the cosmetic treatments here. These are all proven as well. Like I said, we've already spent the money for you. We don't have to go through any testing process. All we're doing is just giving you guys and releasing that into your business and giving you access to all the data points that we've been building over years, and proven ad copy, proven ad pictures that we've been building for years, and just giving it to you. You can have it, get $5 leads, start getting business today. So as you guys see here, these are like more like the general type of medical spas, like Botox. You have laser lipo, so on and so forth. So we have all these proven. You want laser, you want fillers, Botox, anything you think of, any like skin treatments, Morpheus 8, spider veins, infrared sauna, whatever. So as you guys see here, these will all be imported into your database. So just going over here just to show you guys how it's imported. It's all going to be imported into your CRM under this tag right here for manage ads. And then from there, you will be able to click on whatever treatment you guys have for your medical spa. You're going to be able to launch that. So all you guys got to do is let us know what treatment you're offering. And then you click on the ad, and then you will be able to pick and choose which ad you want to pick from here. You hit select. You go to just leave it to lead form. So this is the lead form I was talking about after they click on the learn more button. And then you just name the campaign. So you just name it here, put in your budget. We recommend right around 40 or 50 bucks per day. Put in your website. Actually, I'll do this part. I'll put in your calendar, because put in your calendar, 10-mile radius, and then you hit launch and you're ready to go. You're ready to get $5 leads. Every time you spend $5, typically if you were to spend $20, we will get right around 3 people to book on your calendar from there. So the cost per booking is very high, but hopefully that helped you guys to understand the system a lot more and how we're able to already get you guys proven ads on whatever treatment you guys have. All we need to do is do a consultation, a strategy session. Let me know exactly what treatments you guys are doing. And what we'll do is we'll import all these ads into your business. All you have to do is just click them, launch them, and make this money. So if you guys have any questions, comment below, let me know. And other than that, if you guys have any video ideas, comment below as well. And we'll continue on to allow for you guys to get more information to build your medical spa to 100K plus per month. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.